world of vegan junk food. Yes, vegan junk food. Something that I wouldn't necessarily advocate for your health, but is marginally better than normal junk food and tastes a lot better. So here we have the burger of vegan junk food. It's a delicious hemp patty with good deal of sauce, and we've got lettuce and all that kind of stuff. Processed plant food is good. And now it is time for me to eat it. Love it first bite. As you can see, it has all vanished. I'm just not necessarily grasping at straws, but poking at crumbs. Because what else do you do with a little wooden skewer thingy? So for those who didn't know, we were at Burger, Wisconsin. And that is obviously a place where if you've got some money in your pocket and you feel like a bit of junk food, you can waltz on in and have all of your junk foodie problems solved.
By having a vegan Boss Burger.
Yes, a vegan Boss Burger, which has a hemp patty, and basically you've seen me munch it, and you've seen my empty plate at the end of it. So there you go. Anyway, I think it is time to go somewhere else now. Let's head off to somewhere else now. Right, so we've just been to Countdown, everyone's favourite supermarket chain. And one thing I was very happy to see was there was no social distancing. So, where was I now? Yes, I got my herbal teas from there, and now we are heading into Animates to see if there is something for the Evielings in there. So we've had a look in here, and there's nothing really anything good for them. Like the only thing we would have thought was the chicken, grower stuff, but that's got all sorts of nasty stuff that can kill the duckies, so that's not any good. And duck food wise, there's only big seeds, which are only good for adult duckies, not little duckies, so no luck. So I have been into the Worry Furry, and I have gone and purchased an item of something which I would really not want to have. It is apparently called a jandal, and it costs $2.50, and it's some kind of foot implement which you place upon your feet, and then you walk upon it, and somehow your big toe and your rest of your toes are sort of supposed to slide in like that and stay. Don't know how that's going to work with me. So yes, and I've got another item as well, which do I describe it, or do I leave it as a surprise for future editions? It is down here. It's in a box. And what happens if you place fruit in it? I wonder. We will just have to wait and find out. So as you can see, I am clearly a soy boy. Soy, muscle, power, all the way. Soy, everyone's favourite source of protein. And yes, it turns you into a soy boy if you happen to be male. Soy. And while we're at it, dragon fruit. Everyone's favourite cactus. Fruit. It's a cactus fruit. And believe it or not, I am actually going to eat this later on today. So, yes, it's a dragon fruit. Yummy, of course. What else would it be? I've actually never tried one, so who knows? And sometimes there are things in here that make me go bananas. And maybe I'll connect the dots. I have bananas and I have a blender, so maybe I'll be making something banana blender and the blender banana. So yes, I better stop being incoherent. It's time for all the shopping. And thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and continue watching this channel. Continue eating plants, and sometimes it's good to be bananas.
And vegan for the animals.
Of course. And it's tasty.
The plants are, not the animals.
Of course. That's what I mean, clearly. Bye.